Got a 9180 hood and cooling package. This is not the best hood, but it is a hood. This is a bow on this side. The grill looks good. Yeah, it's got a little, you know, it's had some rust. Panel's good here, and I can't make my video work, but there's some damage or some wrinkling up around the top on if you look at the images, you can see those. But it is something that you can't hardly find, so we chose to inventory it. We sold the engine out of this tractor. We don't buy this tractor anymore. And we have been selling the hoods for $7,500. We've discounted this entire thing to $5,000 just to move it. So just check out the pictures, watch the video.